without this fear. Now only this seems clear. I need to move, I need to fight, I need to lose myself tonight. Come with me now.
Yeah. Bernie, Bernie. Oh, baby. Super Bowl. The dogs are barking, they're all having fun. Bernie will lead us to that place in the sun. He's got style and class, and he's 23. The MVP of the AFC. Bernie, Bernie.